Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search by location in the TuneIn Radio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then at the top of the page, just scroll towards the end. And as you can see, you have the button that is called by location. So just click on that. And here you can choose the region where you want to browse music. So just go to like Europe. And within Europe, you can actually find like Hungary, and you have even options to choose from like the towns or the regions. So yeah, you can just click on that and just find the station, and yeah, it will play. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.